Welcome to our step-by-step guide on setting up and marketing our program using a press release campaign. Let's get started. First, determine the key message you want to convey about our program. This could include its benefits, features, and how it can help accountants and bookkeepers. Craft a compelling press release that highlights the key message. Include information about our program, its benefits, eligibility criteria, and how interested parties can join. Provide contact information for inquiries about the program, including an email address and phone number where interested individuals can reach out for more information. Select the platforms or services where you want to distribute your press release. This may include online press release distribution services, industry-specific websites, or targeted email lists. Create any necessary visual assets to accompany the press release, such as images or graphics that showcase the benefits of the program. Determine the target audience for your press release campaign. This could include accounting and bookkeeping professionals, small business owners, or individuals interested in our program. Reach out to relevant media outlets, including industry-specific publications, finance blogs, and business news websites. Pitch your press release and offer to provide additional information or an interview about our program. Share your press release on social media platforms such as LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Use relevant hashtags and tag accounts or individuals who may be interested in our program. Send the press release directly to your email contacts, including current affiliates, accounting associations, and business networking groups. Personalize the email and explain why our program may be of interest to them. Identify influencers or thought leaders in the accounting and finance industry and reach out to them with your press release. Offer to collaborate on content related to the program or ask for their endorsement. Monitor the performance of your press release campaign, including website traffic, social media engagement, and media coverage. Follow up with any leads or inquiries promptly to maximize conversion opportunities. Ensure that your press release is optimized for search engines by including relevant keywords and phrases related to our program. This will help improve visibility and drive organic traffic to your website or landing page. Use analytics tools to track the success of your press release campaign. Measure metrics such as website visits, conversion rates, and new signups to gauge the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. By following these steps, you can effectively set up and market our program using a press release campaign. Reach a wide audience of prospects and generate interest in the program. Thank you for watching.